Hi guys, so you know what? Did you know that you can do Reiki for your plants? Yes, anything living, anything with a life force. So, I talk to my plants, I check in with my plants, and then I send them a little Reiki. I've become quite the little fairy. I'm growing the plants in my house, growing the plants outside my house, and growing a garden from baby little seeds for the first time. And so sending Reiki to your plants is really, really wonderful. And they have a consciousness too. So you could use the Seihaki with them, or the Chokore, because the Chokore brings power. Maybe they're sick. Maybe you want to do a counterclockwise Chokore to pull out the sickness. Use Reiki on your plants, guys. It's a universal energy, healing energy that can be utilized for anything. Heck, one lady told me she used it to get the mold off her bathroom wall. So Reiki is a powerful, powerful gift that you can use in your everyday life. And I'm sure your plants would love it if you shared some Reiki with them.